The only thing, well, that's not the only thing. The one major thing is really you got to get rid of this owner dependency. The owner is usually the one, especially in manufacturing, the trades, smaller business, family-owned businesses. They started the business because they were great at something, and they still are. They're good electricians, plumbers, they're great fabricators, they're great with metal, they're a great engineer, whatever it may be. And they build a business on that skill. Oftentimes, the spouse does the invoices at first, a close friend helps in the shop, then the son comes in, whatever it is. And as long as they stay at 3 to 4 people and that makes them happy, that's cool. But all of a sudden, when they're good at what they do, they get more clients. So they need more
Mm.
people. And all the problems start. But they're the ones who want to take all the decision, right? They've built it. It's like their baby, or when you get like a little puppy, you're in charge. And that's the same here. They want to feed the puppy every day. They don't let that to anyone else. And you have all these bids to review on your desk. And, well, you want to make it to the dance recital of your daughter, probably. It's 4:30 p.m., but you still got 10 bids to review. You got offers to send out. You need to make 2 calls back to clients who are upset because you're delivering late. And they take that on. And other people, I don't want to say they gladly take it, but that's the system that has been established without even saying a word about it, right? It's not that he says, I want this. It's just how it happens and how it develops. And the big task here is to
And
break
how they get
that
stuck in
spiral.
it, right?
Yeah. So you need to break that cycle. You need to get out of it. And you were saying something that I really liked earlier, Marcia, which is same thing I always say from day one, you should make sure that your business is sellable. If you ever want to sell it or not, that doesn't matter. You don't have to. It's your business. You do whatever you please. And I'm not going to come in and tell anyone how to run their business, but I can certainly share a lot of ideas, and whatever they take on is going to help them. And ideally is what we call the owner's box, right? The owner sits in the owner's box. There's a second in command who runs the day to day, and the business just runs without the owner. And
Mm.
that's how you can make it to where you can sell.